As you can see here, today we're just making some cheap and easy window covers for our van. So let's get right into it.
For this little project, you're gonna need these sun visors to make the covers, some duct tape, some paper, whatever paper you got laying around works, some magnets, and some scissors and a Sharpie or a pencil, whatever works best for you.
So for step one with this paper, what we're gonna do is make our template with it. So you're gonna wanna stick it into these edges of the rubber of the door, like so. And as you keep going, stick them together with some tape so that they don't fall apart, because this is how we're gonna make the template for the window. And I already messed it up. I'm gonna time lapse this and we'll see how it turns out. The last part we have here is this bottom section. I was just gonna draw a line connecting the bottom of them and not fill this up, but I might be able to do it. Nah, I'm gonna risk it. Okay, now that we got it trimmed up, we're gonna go see if it fits on the window so that we can start cutting the template on the visor. The wind is just really cool out here. That actually looks pretty good. Okay. Oh geez. Not anymore. Once you got your shade made, you want to come in, maybe bring a marker or Sharpie, just something to be able to mark where you want to put your magnets. So we're going to repeat that for the other side, and then we'll get to putting on the magnets.
Time to put our magnets on. We're gonna break them off. See, they're pretty small, but they're really strong because they're neodymium magnets. To start off, putting them on the tape. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. And then just tape them where you marked. Then of course, repeat that for both sides and go around the entire perimeter on parts that don't have the prefabricated edges.
Moment of truth, forgot the mic. Apologize for the sound change. It actually holds it up. I thought the magnets might be too small, but we got it. Holds up. Had to beat it up, but it holds. That's all we're looking for. Just a cheap little cover for the window. Hope it's easy for you. If you have a better method of doing it, let me know. The paper wasn't the best. I feel like there might be a better way, but I couldn't really think of one. It's not a cardboard, but it's too hard to work with. Hope this helps you. Not paying $200 for the pre-made ones. So of course, if you ask me, they came out pretty good. I'm really happy with it. The only thing that I will say is that these magnets, which I'll put the link to them in the description, they might have been just a little bit too small, because these are they're in millimeters, and I think these were 30 by 10 something, and the bigger size was 60 by 20. The 60 by 20 might be better, but it just seemed like it was gonna be too much. These still hold up, so it's really just your preference, but it works. Just wanted to throw that out there, little tidbit. Other than that, super easy. The hardest part was really making the stencil. Hope this was easy for you to follow. Until next time.